Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very exciting video which all of you have requested to me, and I personally do suffer from this thing, and that is dark underarms. Today I'm going to show you instant underarm whitening and brightening DIY at home, which you can make with products and ingredients that are available in your own kitchen. You don't have to buy anything or do anything else. So if you want to know how to whiten your underarms, keep on watching. First and foremost, before we start with the DIY, we need to understand why do we have dark underarms. If you don't want to hear to all of this and the science behind it and just want to see what the DIY is, here is a timestamp. You can of course go and skip to this timestamp, but first of all I'm going to explain it a bit. We tend to get dark underarms mainly because of three things. First is that we mostly shave our underarms. Of course, shaving doesn't make your skin any more harder or darker, whatever it is, but shaving, along with the fact that we don't scrub our underarms regularly and sweat accumulates on our underarms, these three things put together makes your underarms darker than your skin color. All the time when we do our skincare, our spa routine, whatever we do, we usually concentrate on our face, our neck, our body like legs and hands, but not on our underarms. Underarms darken because they are not given the proper, proper love. Bear in mind, this video is going to be a little more exclusive because I am going to show you my dark underarms. I haven't personally tried this technique for a long time because I don't usually wear sleeveless dresses and I am lazy. The first ingredient we are going to use is rice flour. Rice flour is known to brighten your skin and give it the plump look. We are going to seep the rice flour in some water so that we have the liquid medium to make this recipe, and the goodness of the rice flour goes into the water as it seeps. If you have seen any DIYs of brightening or whitening dark knees or ankles, whatever it is, you have seen that baking soda is one of the main ingredients, and the reason is that when you apply baking soda, it instantly whitens your skin, and that is the best thing that can happen to your underarm brightening recipe. Third is its lemon. Lightens the skin color, and if you apply lemon on your hair, you will have natural highlights over a period of time. So we are also going to have half lemon into this recipe. Then is coconut oil. Coconut oil is of course one of the most moisturizing oils in the market, and it's one of my favorite oils to use on my skin and also on my hair. So we are going to use some coconut oil, and the final ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will soothe the skin from all the razor burns or undergrown hair, whatever you have. It will just soothe the skin altogether and give you a calming experience, which in the long run is the best thing for your underarms. So just mix it up, add a little bit of more rice flour if you want the mixture to be a little more thicker to make it easier to apply. I ideally refrigerate my mixture before applying it on my body so that the coconut oil hardens, and then it is more of a paste than a liquid. Like you can see here, it's not a liquid anymore, it's a paste, so it makes it easier to apply on your underarm. You can even make this recipe for a week and keep it refrigerated. It won't go bad for at least a week. All set. Now I'm going to show you my dark underarms. Beware. So this is my dark underarm. As you can see, it's quite dark and I'm not very proud of it, but this is what it is, and here it is. I am going to show you the application on one underarm and not on the other so that you can see the difference side by side. First and foremost, to remove all the surface grime, I am just going to take a microfiber cloth, some warm water, and clean my underarm so that the top layer of the dirt and grime and all of the nasty things are away from my underarms. Once that is done, I am going to take the mixture on a brush and apply it all over my underarms. After you have applied it, let it sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes and then we will scrub it off. So it has been 10 minutes now, and as you can see it has dried down. So now we are just going to scrub it off and see if our underarms are much lighter right now. As you can see, my underarms are at least 2 shades lighter right now. So this was my original underarm color, dark and nasty, and this is right now. This is at least 2 shades lighter, and I couldn't have been happier getting this kind of a result with just one use from natural ingredients. I am loving it. I think for a DIY all natural at home recipe for underarm whitening, this result is great, and if you want to maintain your underarm color, you should apply this recipe on your underarms 3 times a week and you will for sure see a difference in the color of your underarms in 2 weeks. Take it from me, I guarantee that. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you did like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and use this recipe for 2 weeks, 3 times every week, and then comment down below if it really helped you guys out, because it will help others to see that this recipe actually works. I hope all of you are having a great day. Till the next time, bye.